Let's talk about Siri. For many, Siri was the first digital assistant on a phone, revolutionary at the time. But today, with AI like ChatGPT and Gemini, Siri feels basic and outdated. The gap between Siri and these new AIs is huge. Siri still struggles with anything beyond simple commands. Apple knows this. Their once leading assistant is now playing catch-up. But behind the scenes at Apple Park, something big is happening. Apple is developing a secret internal tool, Veritas. Veritas is an in-house chatbot, a training ground for the next generation of Siri. It's not for public use, just Apple employees. The goal? To experiment, test, and rebuild Siri's AI brain without the world watching. Developing AI is messy, and Apple wants to get it right before anyone sees it. By keeping Veritas internal, they can break things, fix them, and try radical new features. It's Apple's answer to a tough question. How do you rebuild your assistant while everyone's still using the old one? This quiet, methodical approach is Apple's way of tackling a very public challenge. Instead of rushing, they're building a smarter Siri from the inside out. The world may not see Veritas, but its impact could be huge. So, what is Veritas? Think of it as Siri's private gym. It's a chatbot for Apple employees to test and push AI limits, summarizing documents, writing code, or handling complex tasks. The real magic? It's a testing ground for features that could make Siri powerful. Employees use Veritas to see if AI can search personal data, like finding a specific photo and editing it. Every use is a test, with direct feedback to engineers. This constant feedback loop lets Apple refine its AI faster than public betas ever could. Veritas also lets Apple test sensitive features, like deep integration with your calendar or messages, safely and privately. By working out privacy and security issues internally, Apple ensures future Siri features are both smart and secure. It's all about building a trustworthy assistant, one internal test at a time. Veritas isn't like ChatGPT or Gemini, which are built for everyone. Public chatbots learn from millions of users, but that can lead to unpredictable results. Veritas is different. It's a behind-the-scenes tool for Apple's engineers. It learns from curated data and specific tasks, not the whole internet. While ChatGPT is a generalist, Veritas is a specialist, focused on on-device actions. The goal: deep integration with your apps and operating system. Imagine asking Siri to book a flight and add it to your calendar. Veritas is being trained for that. It's not about being the flashiest chatbot, it's about building the best engine for Apple devices. Apple isn't racing to release a public chatbot, they're perfecting the tech that will power your iPhone. Veritas is the custom engine in the garage, not the race car on the track. The real win is a smarter, more capable Siri for everyone. Why doesn't Apple release Veritas to the public? Simple. Apple sells polished products, not public betas. A half-baked chatbot doesn't fit their brand. Privacy is another reason. Apple's identity is built on protecting your data. Public chatbots learn from user conversations, but Apple avoids that risk by keeping Veritas internal. This way they can say your data never trains their AI. Apple's strategy isn't about being first, it's about seamless integration and user experience. They let others experiment publicly while they quietly perfect their own tech. Sometimes they'll even partner with rivals like Google for features like AI-powered search, focusing their own efforts on what they do best: on-device intelligence. So what's next for Siri? Apple's likely future is a hybrid approach. Their own models, refined with Veritas, will handle private, on-device tasks, photos, messages, calendar. For broader questions, Siri might tap into powerful cloud models like Google's Gemini. You get Apple's privacy and integration, plus the vast knowledge of a world-class AI. This two-pronged strategy could finally make Siri the assistant we've always wanted. Veritas is the key to unlocking this smarter, more capable Siri. We may never use Veritas directly, but its impact will be felt every time Siri gets better. It's a quiet revolution that could make Siri great again.